I'm taking a video of multitude of birds flying around this apartment complex. I don't know how well you can see them. There's 1, 2, 3, but like 5 seconds ago there were hundreds that just flew by. I'm not sure what's disturbing them. I'm gonna go. There's some more that are coming back. And they don't seem to have a pattern like you sometimes see with birds. Wish I could make this a little bit larger, but I believe that's going to be it. I'm going to run to a different window and see if that provides anything else. So keep watching. The video is still on. I'm just covering it so you don't see some things in this apartment. Okay, here I am. Oh, okay, there's a bunch sitting in that tree right there. And it's pretty cold out there, so I don't know if they're just cold and not sure what to do with themselves. Or what. And they do this every once in a while. I don't really see any pattern to it. But they're not happy about something. So, a little bit of, here they come, here's some more coming over. You'd think they want to get some shelter in some trees that are not just standing by themselves, where they'd get a little wind break. They like to hide out in the magnolia trees. But today they've chosen this bare tree. Well, they don't seem to be wanting to move, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna go back to the other windows, see what turns up there. So here's the magnolias, a sample of the magnolias they like to hang out in. So I guess I'll end this video because I can't quite see what is disturbing everybody, but they do seem to be disturbed. It's after 5:20, probably almost 5:30, so I don't know if the sun going down is disturbing them. Well, the sun didn't really come out on this wintry day, but allegedly the sun is up there somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down and maybe someday I'll figure out what's going on. Bye-bye.